Windows 10, Windows 11 has a hidden gems that nobody talks about. These hidden settings allow your computer to run smoothly from the background if you turn it on. But I'm very sure that most users of these Windows never knows about this, thereby struggling with their devices to run perfectly. In this video, I walk you through the processes on how to clean your laptop running on Windows 10 automatically without anything. Just sit back and watch this video to the end. Go to the start button on your device, click on it. Now locate and click on the settings button here. Once you click on the settings button, it comes out like this. At the left side here, click on system. Once you click on system, it brings you to this interface where you have access to desktop, your computer spec and others, Microsoft drives and others. Then you have display, sound, notification, focus. Scroll down until you get to storage. Then click on storage. Once you click on storage, here is what you see. The first thing is that you have access to the breakdown of the storage on your device. Storage sense. A lot of laptop users, Windows 10 and 11 users don't know about this, and this by default is turned off. You can see that it's turned off here. So click on it to expand this. Once you expand this, it comes out like this. First of all, click on this button. Keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary system and app files. Once you check this button, then click on this button to toggle it on. Once toggle it on, then here are the joy of it. You can now put on some important settings here that your system will follow after you turn it on. The first thing is this: configure cleanup schedule. Now running up, that is run storage scene, click on it. If you click on this button here, you have 1 day, every week, every month, and during low free disk space. By default, it is under during low free disk space. That is by default. Means your computer will keep accumulating junk files, thereby making your computer to run lagging, and this might be frustrating. So all you have to do, guys, is to click on this button here and expand this, and we have 4 options here every day. From my own point of view, or from my experience, your computer will not be able to get enough junk file per day. Then every week, your computer may get a lot of junk file every week if you are the type that uses your computer regularly. And if you are not the type, then it will not get enough junk file or every month. So my recommendation here is to use every week. So I clean my computer every week. This system clean my computer for me every week. The next thing is this: delete file in the recycle bin if they have been there for over dash. A lot of people ignore recycle bin. They manually remove content on the recycle bin. If I were you, I clean up my recycle bin every 14 days. So all it does is that the system will go to my recycle bin and pick away every other thing in my recycle bin after 14 days. This will help your computer to run perfectly. It runs smoothly even if you forget to clean up your recycle bin regularly. But if you are the type that come over to your recycle bin and pick some work there, then I will encourage you select never. But someone like me that don't come to my recycle bin to pick works, all I do is to clean up my device using the recycle bin method. So I will just leave it there. So after 14 days, the system will clean my recycle bin for me. And if you are the type that work regularly on your device and you download and you set something to your recycle bin and you don't come back to check it, then you may select 1 week or 1 day. So let me leave for 14 days. Then the most important part of this setting is the download set. Delete files in download folder if they haven't been opened for how many days? For so days. So guys, what if you downloaded some drives, update or information on your device, and you let it be for a while, and suddenly you forget that, oh, I've not opened this file, and you get to that place, the file has been deleted by your system because of what you set. So this is not a good idea. So all I have to do is that click on this button and set it to never delete. So I will select never. If you delete 1 day, if you set to 1 day, immediately after another particular program, it will be deleted and sent out of your computer completely. If it is 14 days, same thing will going to happen. If it is 30 days, same thing is going to happen. And if it is 60 days, then same thing is going to happen. So I will manually clean up my download profile or download file on my laptop. Now that I've set up these 3 settings, the most important thing that you need to do now is to come back to this place and run storage scene now. When you click on this button, just wait a few seconds for this to run the storage scene. Then everything you set here will be effectively as set on your device. So now don't forget that you must check this button because by default it's turned off. Tap on it, turn it on, and don't forget that you need to check this button as well so that this will keep running on your device. And once you tap on this button to run Synapse, then everything we are done is okay. Now you've set your computer so that it's automatically clean up at a particular time you set for your device. That is all I want you guys in today's video. If you enjoyed this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.